Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel.
In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of the Wi-Fi option not showing up in Windows 11 if the Wi-Fi icon has disappeared from your system. And now, let's get started. The next step is to reset the network on your Windows 11 PC. Resetting your network can fix issues like no internet connection, slow speeds, or other network errors. To do this, right-click the Start menu and select Settings, or press Windows plus I to open the Settings window. Then, click on Network and Internet on the left side, and on the right side, you'll find Advanced Network Settings. Click on that. Scroll down a bit and you'll see an option called Network Reset under the More Settings section. Click on Network Reset, then press the Reset Now button. After confirming by clicking Yes, restart your PC. Open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start menu and selecting Device Manager, or press Windows plus R, type devmgmt.msc and hit Enter. Expand Network Adapters. Locate your Wi-Fi adapter, right-click it, and select Update Driver. Ensure your internet is connected. Then click Search automatically for drivers to update your network drivers. If it says your driver is already up to date, check for any disabled network devices in the list. If you find any, right-click them and select Enable. Finally, close the window, restart your PC, and the issue should be resolved. To improve network performance and stability on your Windows 11 PC or laptop, you can enable WLAN and W1 auto-config. This ensures your device automatically connects to the fastest available network without needing manual setup, leading to better connectivity. To enable this feature, open the Start menu or search window and type services.msc, then press Enter to open the Services window. Locate WLAN auto-config and Wired auto-config, right-click on each, and select Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic, then click Apply and OK. Make sure the services are running, and if not, click Start to enable them. This will enhance your network performance and provide a more stable internet connection. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.